Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Watch, and the title of the video is 24-year-old thinks she can punch people without consequences. Man, I'm feeling good today, man. I'm loading y'all up with like 7 videos today. You and me, like, we working, you feel me? Like, let's go, man. Let's go, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. You know I'll never really say that stuff, man. So let's do it today, you hear me? Let's go.
On June 2, 2024, officers witnessed a battery occur at Publix and went to detain the suspect.
Get off of me. Stop. Get off of
Don't
me.
do it.
Stop.
Don't do it.
Stop.
Don't do
Stop.
it.
Stop.
Don't
Relax. Relax.
Don't.
Relax.
Get off.
You're
of
under
me.
arrest for battery. Stop.
Oh my
Stop.
God.
Relax.
Can you get off?
Relax.
I'm tipping my pants.
Awesome.
What the?
You're not going nowhere.
You're not going anywhere. Relax.
I can do it nicely. Get off of me.
Stop moving. And give me your.
Stop. Stop. You're gonna get yourself in trouble. Stop.
You don't need
Yeah,
to
stop.
do that,
All right. Move your hand. Let's move
Get
it.
yourself in trouble.
Move.
You can't even use your words.
Stop kicking me, or you're gonna get another charge.
Here.
Stop.
Calm down.
It's only gonna make it worse.
Just calm down. Stop.
And move your wrist.
Just calm down. All right.
There you go.
Hey, hear what they have to say. I don't know what happened here.
Well, they didn't even want to say anything.
Just
It's not that serious. Relax. Relax.
Just relax a little bit. All right. Come sit down.
Yeah. Going anywhere, Pedro.
Are you her driver? Yeah.
Awesome.
Huh? Just calm down.
There you go.
You gotta sit down.
What was all that about?
Yeah.
What was all that about?
Sit down.
Thanks, punk ass bitch.
Awesome.
Sit down.
Relax.
Stop manhandling.
Stop. Sit down.
You're gonna get a
Stop.
Listen, you're gonna get another charge. Relax.
Manhandling.
Relax. See if you want some
Well,
medics.
then get off of
See if
me
you
and
want some
talk to
medics.
me like
Sit
a
down.
person.
Sit down.
Here, I got her.
All right.
Sit down. Relax. Relax.
You want the medics?
She 24?
Yeah, I do.
Here, go talk to him. I got this.
Have my other headphones,
I will
please.
grab it. Okay.
Can you help me
Come
put
here.
it away
Here,
like
give me
I
this.
wanted to
Give me your
do in
phone.
the first place?
Give me your phone. Give me your phone.
Just calm
Give
down.
me your phone. Okay.
All right.
Take a deep breath. Okay.
And the headphones should be.
I got you. Take a deep breath. Relax.
She look about
having a bad day?
37.
How about a bad light?
Listen to me. It's okay. You can have bad days, right? But you can't go around punching people in the face.
I'm sick of the comments, man. I get it all day long because I'm a pretty girl and I'm sick of it.
I mean, it's a blessing. I get it, though. I get it.
Okay, so I was getting ready to empty the garbage.
Did you get that from her?
Yeah.
So what happened?
He walked by with all this, and I was exerting some what I thought dry humor. So the cart passed by, and I go, she's very thirsty. I said it to him, and she goes like this, and then she comes up to me, and I don't remember if she said anything, but I thought do you want to mess with me or something of that nature, and I thought she was joking, like she was going to pretend to hit me. You know, you want to mess with me, you know, kind of like that. So I just stood there. And then she actually made contact and punched me.
With what hand?
With, I believe, her right hand.
Once? And that's how you're
Yeah.
bleeding?
Yeah.
All right.
Where are you originally from?
I grew up around here, but I was born in California.
What part of California? From California. You're saying, girl?
South.
Was it South SoCal?
Yeah.
What part of SoCal?
I don't remember.
Tell me Los Angeles. Tell me Los Angeles, and we gonna be bugging. You know what I'm saying?
I got to visit Los Angeles.
I'm from California. So listen. We can't be doing stuff like that, okay? It's a little bit different in South Florida. I understand the comments and stuff like that, but you know.
I mean, you might want to ask her what I said. Maybe she thought I said something else. Just go, wow, she's really thirsty.
So you
You know, it's
said,
kind of like, wow, she's really thirsty. But I'm,
Don't even say it.
Everybody knows what the that means.
But,
Talk to me like I'm stupid.
yeah, but listen.
I'm sick of that shit, man.
I know, but listen.
You try and cover that shit up as if it's something else.
Listen, don't even play with me. You got a phone? You have a phone? What's your phone?
561.
and you said you don't need the medics?
I don't think so.
Well, you done gave up on Los Angeles like that? You done got a Florida phone number and everything? I got the 747 number. I couldn't give up California. I had to stay with it, you know? Are you getting ready to leave? Where are you going to head to?
No, I this for you, my legs.
Yeah. You ain't going nowhere. That's what's up.
What happened? This lady punched him in the face one time.
Here's exactly what happened. I was getting ready to empty the garbage, and of course you can review the CCTV or whatever. I mean, I was getting ready to empty the garbage, and he, Jafar, who's a witness, I don't know where he is, he was coming through with the water, and I was going to say whatever I was going to say, regardless of who it was. It was like, I thought it was like dry humor. I just go, wow, she's really thirsty, or must be really thirsty, you know, because the whole cart is water. And then she goes like this. She goes, you want to mess with me? Bam! And I just stood there because I actually thought she was kidding. You know, you want to mess with me? I had no idea.
No, I said, do you want to get punched?
Can we run one by Florida DL, please?
Yeah.
You're her driver, right?
It wasn't derogatory.
What are you gonna do? What? You're gonna arrest her, or still trying to decide?
I'm still trying to decide.
Okay, yeah. Maybe you need to find out what happened, man. Well, we know what happened. I mean, I see it. We know what happened.
She's obviously going to keep doing it.
Tommy, we need a decision right now.
Decide what you're gonna do. What is there to decide?
All right, I'm going to arrest.
That up to you. I don't really think
I'm going to have her arrested.
Yeah.
We'll go to court.
Tomorrow.
She needs to go through the process. You know, I got arrested once. I got a DUI in 2010. And I needed to hear it.
Once I'm changed to 31.
Italian?
French.
French? Yeah, that's where it comes from. That's where it comes from. Go ahead.
You told me what you told me already. I just need a sworn statement. Do you mind raising your right hand? You swear from everything that you previously told me, and everything you're about to tell me is nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right. Is this your driver? Or?
Yeah, he's being a sweetheart.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it an Uber or a driver? It's an Uber? Oh, okay. Well, I'm pretty sure, like, worst case scenario, at worst case, you'll probably just get a court date. And they'll take you to county for, you know, for this. So you just have a court date and just show up to your court date. That's all.
Put her in the car.
Are you gonna take care of my water?
No, that's not going with you because you're going to jail. That's what happens when you punch people in the face in front of the police.
Oh.
And then you fight with us as we're arresting you.
You're gonna have to do it through. It's over top. It's not a clip.
Okay. So I have to pick it up like this?
You might have to undo one of them.
No. Handcuffs are not coming off. My wrist hurts because I was fighting with you, bro. Are you serious?
You didn't even use your words.
I don't have to use my words. Once we say you're going to jail, that's it. That's how it works.
You clearly don't know how to follow steps of procedure. And it's fine. You come in, I have a story. It's life good for you.
Here.
I'm so proud of you.
That he's kissing my back. Hold on, I'm sure you're so proud of yourself. Maybe you can go home and masturbate about it later.
Oh, did I run? No, I didn't. Look at that.
Tommy!
Oh, Tommy, masturbate about him too.
Have Katie come to check her real quick.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.